Yeah. They're talking to me. Hello, baby. Yes, darling. They're talking to me. Yes, baby. Yes, that's right. I can see you talking to me. Yes, you're talking. Yes, baby. A good boy. It's a nice chat you're having. Yeah? Nice chat. What you doing? Changing your comfort zone? Changing your place? Yes. It's a nice chat you're having. A very nice chat. Yes. That's right. You have lots to say, don't you? Yes, you do. Lots to say. Because you're a chatty baby, aren't you? Yeah. You're a chatty baby. That's right. Chitty chat. Little chatty baby. Yeah. It's a chitty chat. Yeah. That's right. But lots to say. Yeah. Lots to say. What is it? What did you see? Oh, don't shiver and be afraid. It's alright. You're shaking. You're afraid? You don't be afraid. It's alright. Yes. It's alright, darling. It's alright. There's a little moth flying around. Does the little moth make you feel nervous? Hey, baby? Yeah. What is it? Can you see yourself? Do you see a little birdie in the camera? Is that what it is? Is that what it is? You're seeing a little birdie in the camera? Is that what it is, darling? Don't be afraid. It's just you. And it won't hurt you. Little birdie won't hurt you. No. The little birdie won't hurt you, baby. No, it won't hurt you. There we go. Yeah. It's alright. Little birdie won't hurt you. It's you. It's you in the camera. You can see yourself in the camera. It's pretty good, isn't it? It's pretty good when you see yourself in the camera. Yeah. Yeah. It is pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah. Do you think it's time to go back in your cage now? We'll put you back. So see you next time.